Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. We are going to add the fringe mane to our unicorn hood. What you're going to need to do is cut strips of fabric, any length that you choose. I kind of have some longer than others. It just really depends on how long you want the mane. You can use ribbon or yarn, whatever you want to use. So what we're going to do is right behind this horn, I'm going to flip it down. There's these two white X's. I'm going to start by putting my pink through, and then you're going to take these two ends together and make them even, and you're going to tie a knot. And I'm going to do it in front of this bead. And I'm going to do 2 knots. So that's the first X. And then this is the second one. So what I do is I just put one end down there, and then underneath with this hand I follow it through the hole here. So we're bringing these two pieces together, making it even, and then making a knot in front here, and you're going to do 2 knots. Okay, the next color is orange, and instead of doing 2, we're going to do 1. So we're going to use this X. So put your string, poke it down there, and then push it through. And now we're going to do 2 knots. The next color is yellow, and we're going to do just like we did the pink. We're going to do these 2 X's. These 2 X's right here. Pushing it through and then pulling it up. Make sure they're even, and then tie it twice. Next color is green, and we're going to use this X right here. The next color is blue, and we're going to use these 2 X's. So we're just following the pattern. So we're doing 2, 1, 2, and then 1, and now we're on 2. So we're going to do 2 blue, the next color is purple, and we're on the 1, so we're going to do this X right here with the clear bead. Okay, so that's the start. That's the start of the mane. You're just going to keep doing that. So the next color is going to be pink. So we're going to add 2 pink here on these X's, and then orange, and then yellow, green, blue, and purple. And we're just going to keep repeating that until we go all the way to the back of the hood. I'm going to go ahead and do this top part, and then I'll show you where I'm at. Okay guys, I finished the top portion of the mane. Now it's time to start on this back portion. Trying to open it up here. Okay, so on this back part, I ended with purple up here, and now we're gonna do pink right here. This is right behind the purple. And then the next color is going to be orange, and we're still going to be using, there we go, we're still going to be using the same X right here. So the purple was on the clear, now the orange is going to be on this clear. And then the next color is yellow, and that's going to go on these two X's. And then green is going to go on this X. Yeah, so we're still doing the 2 2 1 2 1. So the next one will be, these two will be blue and then purple. I'm going to continue to do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay guys, I finished putting on all the fringe, so this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.